Hello folks, NI Detecting back again with another video. No metal detecting this time. Been busy and doing stuff, and I haven't got out, but I'll get out again shortly. Anyway, here's a wee medallion I have from 1987 when I worked in the Michelin. It's based on the first one they handed out to the workers in 1937, 10 years in production. I've looked around the internet for a picture of the original one, but can see nothing. So if anyone happens to find one with a metal detector, you have a good chance of finding one in Stoke-on-Trent in England. That's the big main factory, UK factory. So if you find one, I would appreciate it if you'd send me a photo or even make a wee video or something. Let me have a look at it. Okay, that's it for now. Next one will be a metal detecting video, hopefully with a load of silvers and maybe a nice golden coin in it. Some chance of that, but you never know. You never know till you get out there what's going to pop up. Okay, see you next time. Bye.